Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as today we would be giving you an update on QNT. And we are looking at QNT versus the USD Theta. We are on the daily time frame. And one of the things we have been talking about right down in our analysis is that QNT has been following all our support and resistance levels, all our key levels. As you can see, every single time we pumped right into our resistance zone. As you can see right down here, pumped right down into a resistance zone. And every time we saw some little sell-off, we saw a little sell-off exactly, to the T, right down even into our support level. And as you can see right down, all right, the price of QNT has been following exactly to the T, right, our support and resistance key level zone. And as you can see right down, somebody might be asking, what is next for QNT? As you can see, we were expecting a little more consolidation right here. So we are expecting some sort of consolidation right here for the price of QNT. One last push even to this level of the $100 level before we see a huge bump up even in the price, even for QNT. So we are going to see one last fake out in the price of QNT to the downside to see a lot of people capitulate, probably even to the $94 level to get you to sell your QNT, right? And then so a lot of the whales are going to pick it up, right? As you can see, the whales have been selling all the way down and they want to get you to sell your QNT, right? So that they can bump the price up. So that is what they are doing. And I'll be giving you more proves to show you right that we are going to see one last huge push to the downside. As you can see right down with our altcoin doctors indicator, every single time we flipped bullish, as you can see, our altcoin doctors indicator has flipped bullish, and we have been pushing even to the upside ever since. The same thing as you can see when we flipped bearish, our altcoin doctors indicator flipped red, and as you can see, we have been pushing even to the downside ever since, right? The same thing as you can see, we flipped bullish right down here, and you can see we flipped a huge push to the upside. And as you can see, our altcoin doctors indicator flipped green, and we were very bullish. And currently, as you can see, we flipped red, and we were bearish ever since, right down even from the 21st of March. Our altcoin doctors indicator have flipped red, and we have been steadily pushing even to the downside, right? And as you can see, we have been correct ever since, the indicator telling us that we are steadily pushing even to the downside. And as you can see, we are still currently red, and we should be expecting one more push even to the downside, the last fake out, before we could see a huge push in the upside for the price of QNT, right? And also, if we look at the momentum right here, as you can see, the momentum is obviously flipping, right? We are obviously flipping even to the downside. So we are expecting one more push even to the downside. We are having a bearish flip right down here. So we are expecting one more push even to the downside before we see the mother of all bull runs even to the upside, and probably even to all-time highs. So that's what we're expecting for the price of QNT. One last fake out before we see a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. So that's what we're expecting. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.